Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, and top cover. Removal. Lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the card reader board. Remove the two T8 Torx screws that secure the card reader board to the notebook. Lift the card reader board off of its alignment pins and remove. Replacement. Place the card reader board onto its alignment pins in the base enclosure. Replace the two T8 Torx screws. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into its ZIF connector on the card reader board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.